Planning a day of sightseeing in Rotterdam, but don't want to carry your luggage around? Radical Storage provides a simple and secure solution to store your bags while you explore the city. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Rotterdam using Radical Storage. This trusted platform partners with local businesses such as hotels, cafes, and shops to offer fully insured, safe luggage storage. To ensure you're using the official Radical Storage site, avoid phishing websites and use the secure link in the description to book. Once on the Radical Storage site, enter Rotterdam in the search bar to find nearby storage points. Select a location based on your preference, whether it's near popular attractions, public transportation hubs, or the city center. Then, choose the most convenient drop-off and pick-up times for your schedule. Radical Storage guarantees secure transactions, so you can confidently complete your booking. After confirming your reservation, you will receive a reference number and directions to the selected storage point. When you arrive, show your reference to the staff, and your luggage will be stored securely, allowing you to enjoy Rotterdam without the burden of carrying bags. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.